In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if you're working online in Microsoft Outlook. Knowing how to verify your connection status in Outlook can help ensure your emails are being sent and received without any hiccups. This process is simple yet essential, especially if you're tackling important tasks and need to stay updated in real time. So let's dive right in and explore how you can quickly confirm your online status in just a few easy steps. First things first, you'll want to open up your Microsoft Outlook application. If this isn't currently on your desktop, you can easily find it by searching through your Start menu or perhaps locating it directly on your taskbar if you have it pinned there. Once you've successfully opened Outlook, you'll see your mail screen as usual. Now, let's move on to the next part. You should look towards the top of your Outlook window. Here, you'll find various tabs such as File, Home, Send/Receive, and so on. Your focus will be on the Send/Receive tab. Go ahead and give that a click. Under the Send/Receive tab, you'll find a set of tools and options primarily meant for managing your email exchanges. Within this tab, look for the Work Offline button. This can usually be found in the Preferences group. It's important to ensure that the Work Offline button is not highlighted. This button acts as a toggle for your Outlook's connectivity. If it's highlighted, it indicates that you are working offline and any emails will not be sent or received until you return online. To continue working online, simply ensure this button is not active. This means your email should work seamlessly and you'll stay updated with real-time communications. This little check can save a lot of confusion and ensure you're always on top of your emails. It's as simple as that. To wrap things up, make sure that you've confirmed the Work Offline mode is not enabled. Once done, you should be successfully back online, ready to send and receive emails as usual. And there you have it, a quick and easy method to check your online status within Microsoft Outlook. It's a handy thing to know, particularly if you're dealing with crucial communications. Thanks for watching.